Hey guys, today we want to go out and see if we have any potatoes ready. My sister is actually here from Mississippi. They moved to Mississippi at the end of March. So we are glad to have them here for as long as humanly possible. And so yeah, we were making dinner and I was like, well, I'm gonna go check and see if some of these potatoes are ready, because we can use some little ones, even if they aren't really big, and use them for dinner. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and see what we can find. Because they flowered, it's been almost 2 weeks now since they flowered, but I wanted to show you guys something cool. So this is the first year that I've ever seen this. These little, I don't know what they're called, but I looked it up and like you can't eat them obviously, but it is where the potato seeds are in, I think is what it said, which is really cool that they actually set fruit. So I'm thinking these potatoes have done really well, or I don't know. So we're gonna see, we're gonna find out, but wanted to bring you guys along. So we are going to like see how this plant is yellowed. So we're gonna see how these plants look underneath. Hi, chickies. Hi. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should dig underneath before I actually tear this plant out. Oh, cool. We've got some. Oh, cool. Nice. That's cool. Some little potatoes in here. And a giant rock. I don't know how deep these are gonna be because I didn't hill them too much. Yeah, that will come. We got some little potatoes. Honey, come on. Some potatoes don't want to hen. Whoa. Come on. That's so exciting. Yay. Wow.
I think that's what people meant when they were digging for gold.
That is just too cool. Potatoes are probably one of my favorite things to harvest because it's like a surprise every time. Yeah, they definitely would have done better if I would have kept hilling them up. But hey, you learn. You learn. You win some, you lose some. That's the seed potato right there. Du vill en potato picker? Double come on. Hang on, Mama getting Great Dick Rockies. That is just cool. Testing Ross Yanka?
Yeah.
Okay, du ser. Take me 2 patties. Stick. Honey, come on. Woohoo! Can you see the up picker?
Yeah.
Come on. Good job. Little tiny baby one. Is enough mer? You set it in the basket, do?
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, kom maar, big spider. Vad är det vi är? Nej, så smäsa.
Right?
What's else? Mama, now do you ones the rest of you? Ready? Wow! These are probably not guns ready, but we'll see. That's a rock.
Mer.
Nog mer?
Just ja.
It's a, det då var det extra i haps. Like, så that det var one say klar vi hörstat den där så nu. Kitty kitty! Yeah, the soil one at guns. Fluffy, you know, super productive sand. Say that, Nadu?
Baby one.
Baby one.
You will.
He Google all pretty. Wow.
Kitty
Yeah.
went good.
Det figures those no good. Like when I do a lot of runs today. That's that good Santa ones to know it.
Yeah. Cool.
Isn't it satisfying?
I see. Oh, let's see.
Hmm?
Uh,
Did du se?
I hurt. Hurt. Mom, is it hurt?
Honey, get me more all that scooper ding. Yeah. That one grew in there.
Kitty. I got it. Oh. Kitty. I hurt.
Oh, do not no dirt hop. Miss no Östland inside go. Kanske det drar
Oh, there's one. Do you want?
Liana, come on, there's a baby one.
Oh, goodness. Do, 1, 2, 3.
That's not, they said he home. Huh? He's actually in the potato fork as Muggity come. It's just like super easy moth. No more. Got my hands all I get, honey.
Where's the only one?
Huh?
Pick the 2.
Cool. Well, so that's like perfect, but I know it.
Yeah. That.
That's a rock. Cool. Well, we got enough for dinner. These plants weren't quite done. They turn yellow and like fall over, and then they're pretty much done to get more size and stuff on your potatoes. But these are really good sized for them not being completely done yet, which makes me excited. I will, however, make the soil loftier, deeper down for next year. So like all of this is a good, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 inches of really fluffy soil now with what we added on top. And then this fall, we're gonna add more on top of that and let it sit over the winter. So they're gonna have a good, you know, probably 8 inches of that really lofty stuff. And then next year I will hill them a little bit more because I feel like they do better with that. But really happy with this harvest. So we're gonna go and make these for dinner. Alrighty guys, thanks for hanging out with us. We will see you guys next time. Bye. So bye. Knit bye.
Bye. And we're done.
pork dingadee? I could great do Ellie.
I was. Hi guys. Oh, Katie with Andrea with